Right in front of you, Just. Hailey, just right here.
Justin Bieber may have just accidentally revealed that his wife Hailey was pregnant. While at the Met Gala, several news outlets noticed some key details that suggested this because of the way that he had his hands on her. I'm going to tell you all about it right here on InformOverload, but first, if you could do us a big favor and please tap that like button, we'd really appreciate it. And with that out of the way, let's begin. After Hailey Bieber's husband Justin posed with his hands on her belly at the 2021 Met Gala, many fans thought that she might be pregnant. While at the biggest night for fashion on Monday evening, the pop star tenderly put his hands onto Hailey's stomach as they posed for photos. In a video that began circulating on social media, Hailey can be seen removing Justin's hands from her torso not that long after he placed them there. One fan pointed this out saying, "Hailey Bieber, when Justin put his hands on her belly, you can tell she said, 'It's gonna look like I'm pregnant,' with another Hailey Bieber fan account adding, 'Baby, they'll think I'm pregnant,' and then some laughing emojis, of course. Overall though, these two appear to be the perfect pair. At the Met Gala, Justin looked like a good doting husband, just attending to Hailey when she needed him and even pointing out where to look for each of their photos while walking into the Met Gala. There were even some behind the scenes videos going out where you can actually see him checking her makeup and helping her up the stairs at the Metropolitan Museum of Art for a night of celebrating American fashion. While posing for pictures, the Canadian pop star, who wore a dark suit and white button down, kept one arm tenderly around his spouse's waist. Hailey arrived in a black strapless Yves Saint Laurent gown that featured a sparkling plunging neckline, plus she accessorized with a Tiffany & Co. Blue Book diamond necklace, as well as a number of other diamond and platinum rings from Tiffany's. Although I'm not too sure how I was feeling about Justin's parachute dress pants. Anytime I wear a suit, I love it for it to just be tailored to my body type, but it's the Met Gala, so we should expect there to be some outlandish fashion choices that you wouldn't normally see people wearing. Justin made sure to take full advantage of this opportunity though at the Met and brought with him a black Drew suitcase from his own clothing brand. Despite both celebrities attending the event before, this was actually their first time as a couple attending together. Hailey previously attended the event with Shawn Mendes in May of 2018, who she dated from 2017 to 2018, just days before reconciling with Justin. 2 months after they got together, Hailey and Justin got engaged on July 7, 2018. The pair would later tie the knot at a New York courthouse that fall, followed by a much more lavish ceremony in September of 2019. Justin and Hailey had initially met in 2009 after her father Steven introduced the two. They soon became friends and even dated for a brief period of time in early 2016 before parting ways. Just a couple of months ago, during an interview with GQ, Justin said that the first year of their marriage was really tough. Their initial difficulties apparently stemmed from trauma and just a lack of trust overall. In a more recent interview though, Justin admitted that he has always felt compelled to get married. In that interview he said, "I just felt like that was my calling, just to get married and have babies and do that whole thing." Now with a few years of marriage under his belt, he said that they are only creating moments for them as a couple, as a family, and beginning to build those memories. Either way, we would love to hear your thoughts on these baby rumors, so don't forget to drop us a comment down below. For now, I've been your host Johnny Rogers, and until next time, stay classy YouTube, or at least try.